What is the damage these tariffs and all have done to you?
Industry will shift.
Shut up.
People are going out of job.
There is so much uncertainty that whether tariff is going to go high, tariff is going to go down. We are 100 years behind China.
These machines are from where?
But all made in China.
Made in China. And why is Bangladesh so competitive?
90% Bangladesh has women.
I noticed that you don't. Why not? और इस लाइन पे काटना है. तो टेढ़ा काट दिया.
So here if you go wrong, then you've gone wrong.
How many people work here?
As we've got 3 units here, total of 500 people.
Namaskar.
Around 500 people are working in the 3 units.
Where do these guys come from? All local?
They are staying here, but all immigrant labor. A lot of it immigrant
From where?
labor. From UP, Bihar, everywhere.
How many people does
Reciprocal
the textile industry employ in India?
We are the second largest after agri. I don't know the exact number. The textile is the second largest for employment in India after agri. It's big. It's really big.
And you're saying that
it's very labor intensive. When you see a stitching, so each machine only one person can run. It's not like you cannot go on automation. Garment हाथ से ही बन रहा है. So like people have 10,000 machines. That means 10,000 तो सिर्फ वर्कर टेलर ही काम कर. उसके साथ आपको हेल्पर चाहिए, आपको टीम चाहिए, वो चाहिए. तो like it is a very very big employment. He's our store in charge. The complete fabric. So what the process is, fabric comes, fabric gets checked. Then
so this is where the fabric arrives.
Yeah, fabric arrives. Fabric arrives from my factory also, which is a dyeing factory in UP, and we buy fabric from outside also. The fabric gets checked here, then it.
So this is, you're focusing basically on this corduroy, this stuff.
Corduroy, denim, non-denim, garmenting, everything. Cottons. We don't do poly here. Cotton and natural fibers mostly. What we are doing. So this is the cutting department.
नमस्कार. क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे?
Layer लगा रहे हैं.
So what does layering mean?
Layering is जब पैटर्न बना है तो उसके अंदर एक एवरेज निकलती है. तो एवरेज निकल के तो यहाँ पे उस एवरेज के हिसाब से 2 मीटर का लग गया. अब इसके अंदर ऊपर जैसे वो पैटर्न लगा है, उसके ऊपर पैटर्न लगेगा, फिर उसकी कटिंग हुई.
अच्छा.
तो दैट इज हाउ द लेयरिंग है. वी डोंट कट सिंगल पीसेस. तो इसके अंदर अब ये छोटी लेयर इसलिए लग रही है क्योंकि जो एंड पल्ले निकलते हैं तो उसकी छोटी लेयर लगा के वी डोंट वेस्ट द फैब्रिक.
So what is the damage that this tariffs and all have done to you?
2 damages. First is orders have been on hold and the people are not releasing orders. Like American orders used to come suddenly 1 lakh meter, 2 lakh meter, and they used to store. Right now everyone is working hand to mouth. They don't want to stock. They don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. There is so much uncertainty that whether tariff is going to go high, tariff is going to go down. So no one is placing big quantities. They're all running hand to mouth.
Where are they buying from? Have they changed where they're buying from? Or that
No,
hasn't
it is
changed?
the same. People have negotiated, prices have gone down. Bottom line, top line, everything is taking a hit for everyone. It is not us. all
But
big-
ours is higher, right? We're at 50% right now.
Yeah, ours is very high.
What is Bangladesh?
It's around 18 or 19.
Okay, so they have an advantage in
They
this.
have an advantage.
And China?
China is same as us, but China was always cheaper by 20-25% than us. So if China and us are same,
They
they
win.
have a big advantage. Earlier the advantage was that China was higher than us.
What's the second problem?
Second problem is because of America going down, all the buyers have started going to Europe to get orders. So when they go to Europe, they are quoting lesser prices because earlier there were few people who are doing Europe. Now all the American people who are producing, they have gone to Europe and they are quoting them lower prices. The price competition has started. So everywhere it's taking a hit for us.
So now he's talking about 500% and he's...
The industry will shift.
Shut up.
So people are going out of job. There is no certainty for how the export is going to pan out for another 5 years down the line. So we don't know really what's going to happen.
So a lot of this is done manually.
Lot of done manually, but lot of factories have automation also.
Now what is he doing?
He's going to, it's called ticketing. Now this pattern is being cut by this. Now this every part will be marked, will be ticketed. Then it will be bundled. Then it will go into stitching, where every ticket will be matched and the garment will be made.
Okay.
Gloves though.
कहाँ के हो आप भैया?
बिहार
Which part skin also.
और ब्लेड और इस लाइन पे काटना है। टेढ़ा काट दिया, बट डैमेज तो नहीं किया।
This is a sampling unit. So they make a sample, we get it approved by the buyer, we get it stamped by the buyer, then it goes for final pattern making and grading for
And
production.
the buyer gives you a basic design.
Sometimes we make our own designs and buyer also. Both ways.
We also
Design.
create our own collection also, and we offer it to the customer. Customer likes it, then they.
Or you might change it and say do this differently. Okay. Why is Bangladesh so competitive? Like, what is it that they're doing?
90% Bangladesh has women workers.
I noticed that you don't.
Efficiency.
Why not?
Security. We are scared to keep tailor because there is hardly any security for women. Like if I tell you she has to go alone at night from here, she'll be telling me यार भैया लेट हो गया मैं तो जल्दी जा रही हूँ। अगर मेरी बहन कर सकती है तो इनके लिए जिन्होंने पैदल जाना है उनके लिए तो ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है। We have women in finishing and all, but we try to leave them at 6. But अगर अब ऑर्डर ज़्यादा है, हमें नाइट्स लगवानी है, हमें डबल काम कराना है।
And in Bangladesh,
तो
the security problem isn't there for women.
And women workers, to be honest, are
Efficiency levels are higher.
efficiency levels are much higher.
In women.
Yeah.
They sit, they
More
work, they go.
dedicated
Yeah.
and
I'm
more-
gonna. I don't want
So
to
can't you do something where you help them with their security or send them home by bus
That
or
is
something?
what we are doing in MP. What we are doing, we're making a complete women hostel. So they live on the premises. We give them, we train them, we do everything. We give them fooding, lodging, everything within the factory. We want 40% of our labor to be women labor in MP, but my target is to take it to 70%.
Any other reason why the Bangladeshis are doing well?
They have only two businesses. One is textiles, other is banking. Every exporter, big exporter, has its own bank.
That's the Grameen Bank
That's right.
model.
Grameen Bank model. They have their own bank. Second, the efficiency, the kind of factories they put, the kind of backing they have is brilliant. So basic first pattern is made here. Then we make
And
a sample. we
they
check
are
it.
all people with experience tailoring.
all
experience
experience
and stuff.
tailoring, and they make a single piece.
यूपी के हो? कहाँ के हो? बिहार के हो?
So this is a single piece tailor. So they will make one piece sometime in the line, but a lot of then after this, when it's in production, you will see one person is doing only one job. And if he's making a straight line stitch, he's only doing that. So the piece keeps moving. It's a line production.
Basically, this particular area is the heart of any factory.
Yeah.
So here, if you go wrong, then you've gone wrong throughout.
This is basically template. This is where the whole thing starts. ये काम कहाँ सीखे थे? पहले सीखे थे?
नीरज जी को बुला दे।
पहले से?
नीरज
पहले से
जी
दर्जी?
नीचे उनको बुला।
अच्छा।
Generational.
आप भी? आपके पापा भी दर्जी थे? नहीं। ये कहाँ सीखे आप? घर पे सीखो। These machines are from where?
But all made in China.
Made in China. Why is their scale so much bigger than yours?
China.
Money. Because of money?
Because of money and backing of the government. It is very difficult to come. We are 100 years behind China. We've traveled all over the world. We are 100 years behind them. China के अंदर क्या mindset है? क्या factory है? मतलब one factory is doing RFD and they're so well coordinated by the government. One factory to the other factory. अगर एक आदमी सिर्फ weave कर रहा है तो उसको 500 लोग लगी है weave कर रहा है. Non-stop orders are. The cost of production because of the productivity is so less compared to ours. It's different. And what grants they get? ज़मीन मिल रही है सस्ते के अंदर, one window clearance है.
So what is the advantage? You said the disadvantage against China and Bangladesh. You pointed out. But what are the advantages that we have?
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है यहाँ पे फाइनेंसिंग है. 9% पे तो पैसा मिलता है. नॉर्मल आदमी जिसने बिजनेस शुरू करना है कहाँ पे मार्जिन. इंटरनेशनल पैसा 1% 2% पे है. अगर 1-2% पे मिले, इंडिया विल बी अ डिफरेंट लेवल. इट विल बी अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. What China will compete with anyone we want. Money is too expensive. When you're putting up a factory, you're taking up a loan. Now, if the work does not come in, I'm going down by 9 to 10%. But they go down by 1 to 2% because they borrowed money at 1 to 2%. I borrowed money at 9%.
Right.
So my costing, as it is 8%, is higher than theirs when I'm doing the costing. And my efficiencies are lower. And we always start small because पैसा कितना पैसा borrow करेंगे, बैंक आराम से पैसा नहीं देता है. ये collateral दोगे, ये दोगे. Normal human being, he wants to start his business. What collateral will he give? Bank is not going to back him. Now he has to take money. If these guys, for their weddings and all, they need to do, they borrow money at 36%. अगर पैसा सस्ता होएगा, the country is going to grow. Ultimately, it's all going to come into that. That is all. Prices will also, they will get better money also. We will be able to pay better wages, we'll be able to compete in the market, we'll be able to make more money, and we'll be able to share with the normal people.
इसको बनाने में आपकी कितनी कॉस्ट पड़ती है?
अप्रोक्सीमेटली हमारी कॉस्ट आती है 550 रुपीज से 600।
एंड ये बिकती कितने की है?
तो ये बिकती होगी तो 2500 रुपीज
उधर।
हाँ।
जो सबसे वैल्यूएबल प्रोसेसेस होती है वो कौन सी होती है?
आपका कॉलर होता है और बाजू होता है, सब कटिंग सेक्शन है।
प्रेसिंग में फाइनल ऑडिट होता है, यहाँ पर में सब कुछ होने के बाद वी ऑडिट के सब कुछ ठीक है, देन इट इज मूव टू द पैकिंग सेक्शन।
यू आर वर्किंग अगेंस्ट बिग ऑड्स, हाँ?
यस।
Not easy.